Annie Oakley's ma shook her head. Why can't she play with a rattle like most babies? Annie ain't like most babies. Pa rubbed his whiskers and watched. 1-year-old Annie was spitting bullets out of her cradle. Ping, ping! Annie hit the tin roof of the family barn. Annie! Pa patted her head. You've got to stop this. You're driving the cows plumb loco. Annie did try, but every once in a while she'd forget, like babies tend to do. Ping, ping, ping! Pa ended up moving the barn 15 miles down the road just to keep Annie from spitting bullets at it.
We are going to pause here, and on the next slide you are going to summarize the beginning of this legend. Be sure to include who are the characters, what is the setting, and what is the problem.